right, educators, can't wait to let your students experience auto-assessment by Prof GPT. We are practically buzzing with excitement right alongside you. Prof GPT has designed an easy-to-follow process to create learning assessments for your course. No matter whether it is a quick quiz, a lengthy final exam, or a daunting project. To create a learning assessment, simply head to Assignment, then New Assignment. Give your assessment a catchy name and pick the assessment type. Easy peasy. Then comes the first step of creating assessment: generate questions. Historically, this has been a labor-intensive slog, but Prof GPT makes it an absolute breeze. You've got two clever options here. Option 1, random generate, the just give me questions approach. If you are only concerned with the total number of questions and don't fuss over specific question types, this is your go-to. All you need to do is 1. Specify the question bank. 2. Enter the total number of questions from the bank. 3. Hit generate. Voila! Your questions appear as if by magic. As you skim through each one, you can tweak and save your changes right there, directly updating the question in the bank. No more tedious back and forth. Not quite thrilled with the selection? Just keep hitting generate until you are content. Option 2. Specific generate, the I need precisely this mix approach. You use this option if you are meticulous about a specific distribution of question types in a learning assessment, like I need 60% multiple choice and 40% short answer questions. To make this happen, 1. Select specific generate. 2. Choose your question bank. 3. Specify the number of questions for each question type. Just like with random generation, you can select multiple question banks and regenerate until you've got the perfect blend. Now let's move on to the second step, rubric, settings for the smart scoring. This is where you define the marking criteria for your short answer questions, and Prof GPT is truly flexing its muscles here. We've built 11 robust marking rubrics. If you're curious about the science behind them, check out our recent post, Automated Assessment by Prof GPT, Enhancing Learning Through Systematically Developed and Validated Rubrics. For each question, you can choose up to 5 rubrics. What's extra cool is how Prof GPT handles weighting. The mark you assign to each criterion on the slider automatically adjusts its weight. Want accuracy to count twice as much as relevance? Simply slide its score higher to double that of relevance. And for those moments when a student's work just misses key points completely, Prof GPT offers a clever feature: add stop word condition. If you, the discerning instructor, believe that student work laden with many fundamental conceptual or factual errors should automatically receive a 0, a firm statement indeed, this feature ensures that consistency and reliability in your assessments. Educators have the flexibility to either use the same marking rubrics for all short answer questions or tailor each rubric for individual questions. Similarly, the maximum mark for each question can be adjusted as desired. The last step of creating a learning assessment is setting the start time, end time, and the time you'd like the marks to be released. A quick but important note: Prof GPT doesn't automatically release marks. While our intelligent domain-specific AI is remarkably accurate and, let's be honest, quite smart, what's still an AI product and could occasionally make a human-like mistake. So, we strongly suggest you, the educator, give the marked assignments a quick review before hitting that release button. Once your masterpiece of a learning assessment is crafted, you'll notice different statuses. The button on the left indicates the overall assignment status, and the one on the right shows the marking status. Full explanations for each status can be found conveniently under our help section. There you have it. 3 delightfully easy steps for creating a learning assessment with Prof GPT. Next up, I'll show you just how effortlessly you can mark assignments. Stay tuned, you won't want to miss it.